In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage custom dictionaries for spell check in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fine-tune what PowerPoint flags as a mistake, so your slides recognize brand terms, acronyms, and industry jargon without slowing you down. Start by opening PowerPoint. With your presentation up, head to the File tab and choose Options. This opens the main settings window where most proofing and correction features live. On the left, select Proofing. This section controls how PowerPoint checks spelling and grammar, including what it considers a valid word. Next, click Custom Dictionaries. This is where PowerPoint stores the lists it uses to decide which words to accept, even if they aren't in the standard dictionary. If you work with specialized terms, like technical abbreviations or product names, this is the place to manage them, so you're not constantly seeing red underlines. Inside the Custom Dictionaries window, you'll see your available dictionary files. Use Add when you want to include another dictionary file, such as a shared dictionary from your team or a separate list you've prepared for a specific project. PowerPoint uses .dec files for custom dictionaries. Adding one simply tells PowerPoint to reference that list when checking spelling. It won't overwrite anything. Think of it as turning on an additional vocabulary source. If you spot a dictionary you no longer need, choose Remove. This takes the dictionary out of PowerPoint's rotation so it won't be used during spell check. It's a good way to prevent outdated or incorrect terms from slipping through. Removing it from the list doesn't delete the file from your computer, it just disconnects it from PowerPoint. For fine-grained control, click Edit Word List. Here, you can add words that you want PowerPoint to always accept, or remove ones you've previously added by mistake. Type a word exactly as you want it recognized, then add it to the list. If you notice a typo you once approved, select it and remove it. Keep entries simple. One word per line. And remember that the goal is to reduce noise while keeping your slides accurate and professional. When you're done managing your dictionaries, click OK to save your changes, and then OK again to exit options. From now on, PowerPoint's spell check will respect your custom lists, helping you keep your presentations clean without fighting the checker. If your needs change, just revisit these settings and adjust your dictionaries as your projects evolve.